I am now.
What number is it on?
1 second.
Right.
Is it now?
Yes.
Right. Move them. We'll get to the intro in a sec. We're just still preparation. Preparing. Right. Okay, guys. It's DNF Random as normal because it's on our channel. So who else would it be?
I don't know.
We've got a microwave.
As promised.
As
Quite
promised.
some time.
Microwave. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, please.
Comment down below if there's anything else you want us
Kieran's not even in frame. He's
Huh?
like a tiny bit. There you go.
Yeah. Comment down below if you want us to smash anything. We'll see if we got it and we will smash it. If we can.
Yeah. Help us reach our goal of 10,000 views for
So
a
we can
minute.
start monetizing our videos and actually get paid. So we can actually fund the videos and get better quality.
Yeah. Hit the like button if you want. I'm not telling you to, I'm just saying, because I can't be asked if people like it or not, you know. Like I said, hit the subscribe button if you're new. If you're not new, just check out all our other videos if you haven't. What else? What else you want to say?
Alright, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, just done that. We'll do it at the end once we finish.
Yeah.
It'll be easier because I can.
Anyway,
remember.
first part, we're gonna put that
Fit it
through the
frame?
microwave.
Yes.
Ah, go on, fuck, it's heavy. Right, let's see if I can.
I'm cameraman Kieran.
I'm just watching.
Right.
Watch him alive.
Oh, fuck, missed it.
Why don't you just stab it down?
No, because I like doing it as a dart. Dingbat.
Okay. Welcome to the Darts Championship with David Weller.
No, because if you listened in one of our other videos, I used this as a dart and it sounded like a dart when I threw it. Like, so it went through the thing, didn't it? I can't get that damn stand up now.
Wacka whack. Put the plug underneath it.
Damn thing, stand.
Do you want me to hold it?
David, put the plug underneath it.
Fine. Wait. I'm just going to quickly take this off and just restrict my...
Actually,
Swing.
Oh, fuck. Hold that, kid.
that'd be good.
Shut up.
What was your one again? What was this one?
Dink. No, Dingbat Dyer from Notting Hill.
That's it. There we go, now I can get more of her.
Still missed.
Fucking hell.
If you want to say that to my face again.
Can I rotate the camera?
Same, because you did. Point at the
Yeah, I
off.
may have missed, but it's not my fault. Well, it is, but it isn't. I put that in frame, Kieran.
What?
You do that. You put it in frame. Put it back how it was, because I can't stand him up.
He is in frame.
No, I know it's in frame. But I mean, stand it up like so I can hit it with the glass.
What, like up?
Yes. Stand. Oh. Yes. So then I can throw this at it. So every time I throw it, it has a whooshing sound. You know when you get a twig and you go real fast, it has that noise.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
what I used to. Oh great, that makes it harder for me. Never mind.
What was that?
Why don't you just stab it down? Because that'll be.
Was it wants to do it his way?
Oh fuck. Okay.
Because otherwise, this is gonna be taking a bit too
Look,
long.
I'm just gonna do one more. Oh for. Look, I'm not with it because I've not been out for long. My head hurts.
Stab it down.
I'm breaking my things. Look.
God damn.
What a way to break my garden up, eh? I only put these down the other week. There we go.
Yay.
I was hoping for more of a bang when I was.
Can I? I got an idea. Ready?
I am now. Gunshot. That's my shot. I'm better at my bigger one that I've got. shot, pal?
Wait, I'm
No,
gonna
I'd
shut the
see
door.
that.
I'm gonna take off the door quickly.
Would
No,
you?
no. One shot in. One shot that was. Hold on. What should I do? Should I go like that? Or should I go like that?
Whichever you want.
Both.
Alright. Oh, jeez! Fuck me.
Okay.
I missed it first time. I need to get the
Grinder.
Yeah.
There's swing, Kieran.
Huh?
There's swing.
Go. Well, I just had an idea. Like that. There should be a transformer in there, right there. You can make a mini arc or mini welder in that. I dare not make one because I don't want to get less shots and die. Right, ready?
We'll cut it off.
Oh, I pierced it. I pierced it.
Okay.
I see
Right.
it. I see it.
Oh, I want to get my teeth in there. Let me. Can't get the damn axe. I was going to put it in and lift it up. You cheeky little.
And he's got his stuff.
Not surprising. That's what James said. Huh?
Yep.
If you ever wonder what to do with a microwave,
Wait
give
for
it to one of these two to bring over to my place and we'll smash it.
Yeah, anything you have. If you know
Get
where
up to the
we,
camera then.
if you know where
Go
we,
beside it. Go beside it so they can probably hear you because without they hear you. with
if
the
you know where we live, which will sound kind of awkward, then don't.
I said get beside the camera, about here. You don't have to be in frame if you don't want to. You just need to know so they can hear you.
Okay. If you know where we live, it's not creepy or anything. Don't be scared to bring us any stuff that you don't need. For example, broken TVs, broken microwave, and we'll destroy them for you and upload the video of it. And whoever gives it to us, we will shout out in the video.
Yeah. Definitely. Might as well. Because we can know their
Yeah.
names. Because whoever it is, we can probably know their name.
Anyway.
We need to get a PO box like down the post office or something, so then we can get things delivered there and we can take it from there. You know what I mean? Not like a PO box, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Postal thing. Oh my god, this thing's lethal. I keep hitting the transformer. Ooh, did you see that? Did you see that clean slit?
Can I?
It's just like, ooh, fuck.
It's okay.
Allow me.
Damn thing. I forgot.
I'll get that file. Wait.
That was clever.
You're playing golf now.
That was a bit thing. I thought it was going to come towards us then.
Yeah, no.
You hit it and it lags on behind this. So as soon as it hits it, then the bang comes. Look. Look, watch. Fam, watch. When he hits it, see, he's slow. You listen to the bang and then on there, when it does it. Look, ready? He swings. He's hit. Now he hits. It's like half a millisecond. See, look. See, it's like we're watching a film, and he's just copying. It's like it's just like we're copying it. He's copying. See, because watch, he hits and hits. See,
I think
so it's like him and then him,
Yeah.
him and then that.
Him and the
Kieran,
Yeah.
can I have another go? But you've shredded quite a few bits. That'd be good for scrap metal.
Yeah.
All of that, and then if we get like 20, 30 pounds with the microwave and that, because it's got copper and things, and I think we got some money off it. We could fund us like 30 quid. Do you reckon 30 quid could fund us
Mate, probably.
for doing something? Because I was thinking if we took all of this to a scrapyard,
Yeah.
perhaps.
And then we may
David.
pay for that.
Dad, in Dad's car, his gearbox went.
Yeah.
It's my new whole new car. So
What's
it's
it-
a scrap yard.
So I think got a blue one now.
Nah. He's gonna has to buy a whole new one.
I was thinking if we could take this to the scrapyard, this lot here, get some money out of it, Farron. And then we could fund us for something, just like short term, not long term until we start getting paid. Because once we start getting paid, you all coolio now?
One sec.
There's one bit went flying up in the air.
No, it went up and then down. You can use the X if you want, but be careful with my one. Not here. And that's going for scrap.
Yeah.
Oi, I've had a thought. Did you overhear me saying about this for scrap?
Yeah.
Because that should fund the short term, shouldn't it? Should fund the short term until I get paid again, perhaps. We really need to do a quick video.
Yeah, this hot. On.
I thought he was right then.
I won't be. Oh fuck. My head went then.
Yeah.
Hashtag FFD. Fan Film Day. FFD.
Do you remember that reason?
I've got banging head, ain't I? That's making it worse. Oh look, there's a transformer. You know what one thing we didn't do? Shoot the capacitors.
David.
Don't say. Hey, one thing we forgot to do.
What?
Short the capacitors.
Yeah.
If you short circuit them and they blow up badly and they go everywhere, I'm fucking running a mile.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, do you want to do like a fireworks show sometime?
Okay.
Because I got some firework lighter things, remote ones. You connect them up to these boxes, you press your buttons, and they just go. You can stand from. Say if we put the boxes there and we put fireworks in the trees or something,
Yeah.
and I stood all the way over near those cars, I could press like number 1,
Yeah.
Q12, Q1, number 1,
Yeah.
so circuit 1, right, and it would start that firework and it would go up. Then I'll do Q1, 2, Q1, 3, Q1, 4,
Yeah.
Q21, Q22, Q23, Q24, and so on and so forth. You know what I mean? And then I can set them off. I won't do them here, I mean we'll have to find somewhere else to do them.
Yeah,
sort of
we
thing.
look that like into a tree, set to the whole thing in light.
Yeah,
That's who's gonna go up like.
that's what I was thinking. If we can find somewhere, unless your dad can find somewhere, then we can do like a firework video, us, with my
Yeah,
firework
we'll do that.
lighters. Yeah, the safest axe I've ever seen.
Well, it's not really safe, but
It's better than having a sharp blade. I mean, it's got sharp bits, but it's flat.
it's got millions of sharp bits. On that.
Oh, hold up, hold up.
Hold the phone.
No, capacitor. I told you there's like 2,100 volts. I knew we should have circuit that. I don't really want to touch it by hand because that would be all rectified.
The best thing to do that is to knock that out, you know it. I need to get this out of here.
Fine. If it blows, if that blows, oh shit. If that blows, I don't want to be having electric arc going to my finger and then killing me. Right, mine, Kieran? Whoa!
Jesus.
Bloody hell, did you see that?
Yeah.
Close as fuck that was. Wait, you said you can't get it out?
Yeah, it's proper. When it was.
That was easy.
And he said he couldn't get it out.
Yeah, because it was bent over.
Might out.
It was bent over the top, so it wouldn't come out.
That's enough for the video.
How long has it been over?
Hang on,
15
do you wanna
minutes.
do the clear up? Do you want to do it as clearing up?
What about part 2? Because it's 15 minutes long.
How many?
15.
Right, okay guys, we'll see you later.
Don't
Peace.
subscribe.
Try not to sneeze. Oh, fucking hell, I must have cut it off you or something. Or him, or I must have, I don't know. Anyway guys, we'll see you later. I'm getting ill again. I don't want to have one of those croaky voices like I used. Remember in one of the videos?
Yeah.
Croaky voice. Anyway, guys, like, subscribe, share, comment, you know, hit the like button, hit subscribe if you're new, etc, etc, you know the gist. So, if you're new, hit subscribe, and if you're not, then, you know. But anyway, guys, peace out.